Guys, welcome back to today's video, and in today's video we are going to be doing the very first review on a BMW M4. What is up, guys? Alex Z. I just want to start off by giving a huge thanks to Edwin for letting me use his 2016 M4 for today's video. This thing is a freaking beast. Thank you so much, man, for letting me drive your car. This car is also a DCT 7-speed, and the shifts are like literally like as soon as you press the damn freaking trigger, it's already in gear. It's insane. I've driven other automatics and none of them are like this, besides DCT, of course, but the way it gets into gear is freaking gnarly. This car has is an M-Performance exhaust. It sounds really good. I really love the way it sounds. Especially like when you do the shifts, it makes like a fart noise. It's kind of funny, but like it sounds so dope. I've always liked that noise. It sounds freaking insane. Let's see if I can get it to do it right now. Let me roll down my window. Yeah, that sounds freaking sick. Also has some really nice wheels on it. It has some BBS. The name is called LMR. They're 2-piece wheels. They're freaking really nice. I really love the combo. It looks freaking amazing. I feel like with like Euro cars, BBS wheels are definitely the way to go. The that he has on this are Michelin P4S's. They're 295s in the rear. Car still spins, but I feel like it's from all the torque. It moves though. It does still spin, but it doesn't really like it's not super like out of the freaking whack spinning, you know. Color of this car is called Marina Blue, and I love this color. It's probably like my favorite BMW color. It's probably my favorite color car, to be honest. It's just really bright and like it looks so clean. Like I really love it. It really stands out. I feel like you wouldn't have to wrap this. A lot of people wrap their cars this color, but this car just comes like this, and it's super nice. It really sticks out. You definitely do get attention because of it. There's actually, as I'm saying that, there's literally a cop staring at me right next to me. So I'm hopefully nothing happens. The car does have a carbon fiber diffuser, and it looks so good with the exhaust. It just really stands out. I really love the look, especially with the blue. Everything kind of just goes in contrast. It even has a freaking carbon fiber roof. Like, what the heck? Talk about weight savings. I mean, that's something I would want to do to my car, but that's just some baller ass, you know what I'm saying. It's super baller. It looks so good. Not many people can say they have a carbon fiber roof. This car is also tuned. It's tuned by the BM3. It's like a simple download, kind of like plug and play kind of tune. It's on stage 1. It just has an exhaust, but this thing still rips, dude. I'm telling you, like, honestly, for the dollar amount, I feel like you do get a lot of car in this. It's super awesome. The thing's super quick. I'm gonna go ahead and do some pulls as soon as I have some clear room, and this thing should be moving. I'm gonna go ahead and try a dig with this, and let's see how it goes. Oh wait, I gotta turn off traction. Here we go. This thing moves. This thing flies. Oh my god. That was freaking insane, dude. This thing freaking pulls from it. It barely even spins, which is the craziest part. Like as soon as it gets in the boost, it just freaking takes off. Oh my god, the thing had me planted. I would say this is like the perfect daily. Like just a couple bolt-ons and a tune, and you're freaking faster than most guys, you know? Well, at least out here in San Diego, but. And then you could just daily drive it. Like you could just be cruising around, bumping music, and with the AC on. I'm over here doing pulls with the AC. I feel like what this car really does is it creates a good vibe. Like I feel like very like somebody in this car, you know? Like I feel like very important person. That's how this car makes me feel. Go ahead and try to do a roll. I'm doing a 3rd gear 60 roll. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god. Thing just goes. That was freaking dope. Literally just boost keeps coming and it's just like, damn. It feels freaking awesome. Sounds so good. So easy to speed in this. Like how could you not? You just press the gas. It's insane. So this car is lowered. It is on lowering springs. For lowering springs, this car rides pretty damn stiff. You pretty much feel everything. It's just like, I feel like it's just like a coil. The only thing is that with lowering springs in this car, it doesn't have the adjustable dampening. Like you can set like different modes, so like when you're in comfort it's not going to be as stiff, but because of the springs it does void that, so you're pretty much riding stiff all the time. But it's not like overwhelming. Like it feels perfectly fine, but the car feels super planted, and for springs it feels pretty good. I'm gonna try a 2nd gear 40 roll. Oh my god. The brakes work so good too. This thing just goes. I fucking love this thing, dude. Now we're gonna try 1st gear pull, and let's see how that goes. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is definitely fast. That's freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. If you're in the market and if you're looking to buy one of these, just do it. Like, it's definitely worth the money, I'll tell you that. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with downshifting in this thing. Freaking downshift for days. Tunnel coming up. I'm gonna hit the tunnel. Oh my god. I could do this all day. I could literally drive this thing all day. So now we're just taking it down like this little canyon thing. I love driving my car here. Bunch of turns. It's just so easy, bro. Oh my god, it just sits. This is nice. Video, like the freaking corners don't look that tight, but they are. Alrighty guys, so that's it for today's video. It was super fun driving the M around, and I basically had it for a whole day. Believe it or not, that review I did twice because the first time I did it, it didn't record properly. Like literally nothing saved at all. So I had to go out and redo the whole entire review. But it's all good. The car's a lot of fun to drive, so it wasn't really too much of a big deal. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see more reviews. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of fast cars that I'm gonna be driving pretty soon. I have a lot of V8s that are Pro charged and some really big turbo 4-cylinders. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check. No drip, this wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.